No, ate! No, ate! No, ate! Ay, stop! Ha? Why? Why? Why you don't like the lady put in your bag? Because? Because? What is the reason? What is your reason? Why? Listen. Why you don't... Wala daw, wala palang water eh. Tubig lang daw ang dadalhin niya, di daw pwede dide. Kasi magalit daw si teacher. Teacher will mad at you if you will bring the dide and put in your bag. Yes? Huh? I will asking with you. Why you don't like that dide will put in your bag? The teacher will be angry if you will bring a dide. Yes. Yes.